3 digital security tips you can deploy today. I recently participated as a panelist for CLE for the New York Bar Association, and in that discussion, which focused on cybersecurity, a few ideas came up that I thought were share-worthy. The first is that if your company has cyber insurance, that's great. I recommend taking the policy you likely got from your broker in the form of a PDF via email and printing it out for 2 reasons. The first reason is that in the event of a cyber attack, like a ransomware attack, that policy may be locked in your network and unretrievable. So you'll want to know who your insurer is and their breach response 800 number so you can reach them 24/7. The second reason, which is new to me, is that you'll want to scrub any details of your cyber insurance from your network and from your email server. Should you be hacked or breached, cyber criminals will search your network and your emails for the keyword cyber insurance. If they find it, they'll know how much insurance coverage you have and then gauge their ransom or threat demands based on those insurance limits. You don't want to give hackers this information. The next idea is similar. We recommend that if your company has a WISP, a written information security plan, or a business continuity plan, a BCP, which you should have, that these are also scrubbed from your network and any reference to them, as well as any draft copies exchanged by employees and outside consultants and attorneys, are also scrubbed from your email server. Again, if your network is compromised, chances are that cyber criminals will search for these documents so they can thwart your recovery plans to maximize the harm they do to your company for their own benefit. Leaving your WISP or your BCP on your network give hackers the roadmap to your recovery. Finally, I want to mention something about passwords. We have learned that it's not uncommon for employees to have a Word or Excel document on their computer or on their cloud account named passwords, which will have all of their work and possibly their personal passwords in this document. Again, hackers will scan all drives of computers that either they have infiltrated or seized in a ransomware attack for a saved document containing the word passwords. This is a jackpot scenario for hackers because if they discover it, they may be able to access all the websites that are password protected, including personal banking, credit cards, and investment accounts of employees and your company. 2 issues to resolve here. First, passwords should be in a password vault or manager like LastPass, Keeper, or Dashland. There are many others. Check with your MSP for further details. They should never be stored on a document in your network or even printed out on your desk. Second, access to financial and other sensitive websites should be deploying MFA, or multi-factor authentication, where a PIN or code is used to confirm access. This way, if an unauthorized third party gains access to your password, they can't open the website without that secondary means of authentication, such as that PIN or code that's texted to your cell phone. I hope you found that info helpful. I'd love to hear your comments on this and any other cybersecurity risk controls that are on your mind. Thanks.